Today I brought you to a sticky waterfall. You can walk up the waterfall. Let's have a look. That's the Thai version. Oh no, it's not. Caused by chemical precipitation. Evaporation of water using that. You are here. Where everyone's pointed to it, so it's worn out. No drones allowed. Right, so I'm going to go down and pull myself back up. So there you go. Okay, let's do this. Alright, let's climb up. Oh, there's a rope. You don't need a rope. Look, it's sticky. Sticky waterfall. You'll be shattered after this. I don't know how much I could film because I don't even started yet, nearly fell. I don't know how much I can film, I might need 2 hands. There we go. Actually that cold, quite nice. Refreshing. That rope ends there. Along there's another rope. So you can go 2 ways. I see a rope here, so let's go this way. A different way. Alright, oh, you can't go down. Yeah, I'm shattered already. Oh, that's steep. I need a drink, I don't know if this is safe.
I don't think so.
I'm drinking it and spit it out maybe. Oh, did you guys say no? Right, yeah, okay. So I haven't got it, guys. There we go, look. How about that? Come on now, come on. I don't know if you can see how steep this is. Sunflowers. Shattered. You can't drink the water. Pretty cool, eh? It's not cold. Oh, it's lovely. I thought you'd be freezing. That's pretty beautiful.
At that bottom. It's
Well, that's me walked up the sticky waterfall. I'm shattered, but I'm going to go back down again. They're okay, I don't need it.
这很新奇的体验，在国内应该很少有自然的这种吧。我们打算拿好多看，这个有时间。
Shattered. The water's quite warm and worn out, and that's only one level. Right, so you see what you see online? No people. This is reality. Imagine someone fell. Take everybody. Cut the road. That was a very bad thing to do. Oh dear. So I don't think anyone can see the other side, so when you come off it automatically come this side, but you start and there's a different side where nobody's going. But there's one. Yeah. On YouTube. Yeah. So that's part of the sticky waterfall. There's a lot more, but I'm absolutely shattered. Been up the fourth part out of 4. There might be more than that, I'm not sure. But I've been up the fourth part twice, so that's equivalent to going up 2 parts, okay? That's it. See you at the next place, which will be, you'll see when I get there.